about the preparations that are underway to celebrate the 75th Independence Day. And as we talk about the preparations, we're also keeping our focus on the security arrangements that have been made. Tomorrow will be celebrated as the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav Day, and security has been stepped up across the national capital. Section 144 has been imposed at India Gate. In fact, my colleague Ananya is getting us the latest details in this report.
At a time when India is gearing up to celebrate its 75th Independence Day, the security in the national capital has been tightened. Rigorous checking of vehicles and people is taking place. Apart from the Delhi police, the other paramilitary forces has also been deployed in order to assist the Delhi police in checking and security purposes. In fact, the national capital is also on a high alert, wherein strict checking of vehicles and even the traffic violations is taking place. The Delhi police is on its toes. Apart from the paramilitary forces, they are continuously checking the vehicles. We are currently standing at Minto Road, and we can show you how the strict checking of vehicles is taking place. In fact, identity cards of those who are on the vehicles is also being checked, apart from the vehicle papers. And the Delhi police is trying to leave no stone unturned to keep the national capital protected. The security is beefed up. The nation is gearing up for its 75th Independence Day. I am Ananya Bhatnagar with video journalist Surinder Shah for Republic TV.
Let me also bring in my colleague Sumi, who's joining us live on this broadcast from ISBT Kashmiri Gate in the national capital. Very good morning, Sumi. You know, we've been keeping our focus on not just the security arrangements, also the unique way in which we're already set to celebrate the 75th Independence Day. You know, talking about, for example, the Pedal for Health program that we saw early this morning, in which several union ministers also took part, and many such more initiatives that have been taken place.
Yes, absolutely. It is a grand beginning to the 75th Independence celebrations. And in fact, keeping all of the grandeur in mind, the multi-layered security has also been given to the Red Fort and also in and around Red Fort. And in fact, ISBT, the Kashmiri Gate, it is the interstate bus terminal, which is the amalgamation of 3 bus terminals together, has also been given a heavy security. In fact, right now, we witness a heavy presence of the ITBP personnel, along with the snipers right behind the barricades that have been placed here at the entrance. And we are also witnessing how these crowded buses are being constantly checked for passengers. We see this particular bus, which has already been checked. All of the passengers with their luggages are being checked for the presence of any suspicious material. And in fact, each and every buses are being checked, and passengers are also being checked for their IDs. And these exercises are being carried out since the beginning, and we are looking at these exercises just a day ahead of the 75th Independence Day. And Red Fort, which is the historic fort, the Mughal fort, is the place where the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the entire nation. And here we see that the Delhi police personnel is asking this passenger to, they have deported the passenger, and now they are constantly checking for their luggages. They are asking the passengers to be very, very, cooperative when it comes to these security checks. And here, these barricades have also been placed, and this is the entry point where all of the passengers are deboarded. And since these interstate buses are coming from various adjacent states like Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, and they are very, very crowded, which is why all of the passengers are being constantly checked. And a strict vigil is also being maintained here. And at ISBT, if I talk about the CCTV cameras, here in and around the premises of ISBT, 70 cameras have been already installed just ahead of the Independence Day. 57 cameras are inside ISBT terminal, and in fact 13 cameras are outside the premises. Snipers have been placed at the entry and exit of the ISBT terminal, and it is very interesting as what commandos and as the snipers, all of them have been maintaining a very, very close eye. And Remember, the IGI airport and the authorities had received this threat call a week ago, and which is why IGI also became a very, very security sensitive area where the security has been heightened. And today, along with the IGI, ISBT and Red Fort, there are multiple points in the national capital that has been witnessing this multi-layered security cover, Kritsby.
Oh yes, we are looking at multi-layered security. We're looking at security being stepped up in high-rise buildings also as far as these sensitive zones are concerned. So, you know, areas like the India Gate, of course, Red Fort, and like you're reporting from the ISBT Kashmiri Gate, these areas, their multi-layered security can be witnessed all through today and tomorrow is what we'll be seeing. But Sumi, you know, as far as the Jammu Twin Blast is concerned, ever since what happened there, we are also looking at anti-drone systems being used. So they are being used in the national capital today. We're also looking at drone surveillance as well. And of course, cameras and footages that are being looked at very, very carefully by the security personnel.
Absolutely, as the aftermath of all of the drone attacks that have recently been launched in Jammu and Kashmir, we are looking at the anti-drone system also, and these were activated early this week, and all of the drones have been actively monitoring and giving bird's eye view of these various sensitive locations. And when I talk about the CCTV surveillance that is being constantly done, and all this week it has been carried out, and it has been constantly managed. And if we look at the visuals here at ISBT, over 350 cameras have been installed in this entire area. Only 70 cameras outside ISBT, and there would also be the security personnel, 5,000 security personnel at the Red Fort, and they will also adhere to the social distancing norms also. And police vans such as the PCR vans, the Prakhar vans, and also the quick reaction team vans are also stationed at the Red Fort and in and around Red Fort. In fact, few of the police vans have also been placed here at the ISBT, and patrolling are also being done on motorboats in the Yamuna River, which is by the Delhi police constantly as well. And earlier in the day, the city police had also erected a huge wall of shipping containers at the fort's main gate for security reasons. And now nobody can actually breach that wall. The security cover has been made very, very solid. And in fact, no passengers, no visitors are allowed in the Red Fort, in and around the Red Fort, as there is multi-layered cover that has been given there. And since ISBT also comes in the same arena here, the drones have also been constantly monitoring this entire area.
Absolutely.
And along with that,
we do see, Sumi, by the visuals you just showed us, we do see how, you know, at entry points and exit points, checking is taking place very, very thoroughly. So preparations are on, security has been heightened across the national capital. Thank you, Sumi. We'll keep coming back to you through the day.